In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game Gold Mining Simulator on your PC. So what you need to do is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video. After that we are going to search up this game at Steam, but don't worry, we are not going to buy it at Steam because we don't want to overpay on the game. So go to Steam. After that we will continue to another website, so quickly accept it, and once you have done that we are going to the Steam website. Now quickly search up the game Gold Mining Simulator, select the game, and after that you will see that this game at Steam is quite expensive, €19.99. But don't worry, we got a workaround for this. What you need to do is go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this page. Now search up the same game, Gold Mining Simulator, and after that select games on the left side. Then sort by price lowest first, and as you can see we have a PC version over here, and this text is marked green because we need to have a version which can be activated in our country. So make sure this is marked green and then select the game. Now you are opening the game. Page, and as you can see we can already download this game for just €7.82 compared to the price on Steam of €19.99. This will save you a lot of money while downloading games online. Now once you have purchased this game on this website, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including a activation key for Steam, so you can activate this game in your Steam account and download it on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye.